How to post on TikTok with good quality. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on TikTok with good quality. If you usually lose good quality videos once you've posted it on TikTok, this video is for you. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and click on the plus icon to start making a video. In the recording page, click on the record button and record a video. Click on the check mark right here and click on Next. Here, scroll down until you find Allow High Quality Uploads. Make sure that it is on. If it is turned off, just toggle it on and TikTok will allow you to post high quality videos. But if you're still experiencing low quality videos, then do this instead. Go to your TikTok profile by clicking on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. In your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Data Saver and click on it. If this option is enabled, make sure to turn it off. Usually, TikTok has it automatically turned on for you to save data, but it lowers the quality of your videos in return. Turning this off will immediately make the quality of your videos better. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to post on TikTok with good quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!